So, what is the advertisement? Advertisement nothing but promoting your goods and services, and it's a non-personal communication which is paid, and in this advertisement we target the broad audiences, and later on they convert into sell audience. This could be informational, informational, just like educating the audience, and informing about how to use our product or service, and persuasive, in which we told to convert our clients into uh, potential client into customer. And reminder advertisement is when we follow up and remind them about our product, services, or ideas, and uh, and reinforceable advertisement. And there are several types of advertisement, like print advertisement, billboard advertisement, and outdoor advertisement, indoor advertisement, digital advertisement, and public service advertisement. The nature of advertisement is competitive. It is a competitive, as competitor also place their advertisement at same times, and its platform, companies should have to invest 2 to 5% and 10% as per their marketing budget on advertisement, and to promote their product or services. And it is the non-personal communication, as I already told you, and by the identified sponsor. It's controlled by the company about what should be told and how should not, and it's a mass communication. And what are the functions of advertisement? It for to stimulate demand, and to prepare ground for new products, information, if any there changes in product or services, and behavior change, trial of the product or services, contribute to economy, as the product will sold out, it contributed to economy. And attitude change, as we saw any advertisement, it changes our attitude, perception toward the brand. If the advertisement is for emotional connection, and it's giving a status and some feeling in which you feel that you are the special one, and will give you an spotlight, this product may have a chance to that you can buy it impulsively and use it. And there are many criticism of advertisement. It leads to impulse buying. It leads to um, buying things which are not required, and for multiplication of needs, that and misrepresentation of advertisement, and sometimes it create monopoly, like uh, many things. And many critics say that it's the waste of natural resources. And what are the legal and ethical issues related to advertisement? First of all, we should not to degrade our competitors. If your brand is Coca Cola, then in your advertisement you should not have to degrade Pepsi and other brands, and you have not to tell more than means, like in Dettol, people say that it's 99%, it kills 99% bacteria, not 100%, because it's not possible. 100% is not possible.